Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in cryptocurrency news. Now, let's dive into today's hot topic, the recent Bitcoin market crash and when we might see a recovery. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. The Bitcoin market has been on a wild ride lately. Just when it seemed like Bitcoin was stabilizing, we experienced a significant crash. So, what happened? Well, a confluence of factors led to this downturn. Regulatory crackdowns, especially in major markets like China and the United States, have spooked investors. China's continued clampdown on cryptocurrency mining and transactions has significantly impacted the global hash rate, leading to increased volatility. Meanwhile, in the US, rumors of tighter regulations and higher taxes on cryptocurrency transactions have further shaken investor confidence. Additionally, macroeconomic factors such as rising inflation and interest rate hikes have led investors to pull out of riskier assets, including Bitcoin. But before we dive into when we might see a recovery, it's essential to understand that market corrections are not uncommon in the world of cryptocurrencies. Historically, Bitcoin has gone through several significant crashes, followed by periods of recovery and new all-time highs. Remember the crash of 2018? Bitcoin lost over 80% of its value, but eventually bounced back stronger than ever. This cyclical nature is a crucial aspect of Bitcoin's market dynamics. So, what does recovery look like this time around? There are a few key factors we need to consider. Firstly, institutional adoption. Over the past couple of years, we've seen a surge in institutional interest in Bitcoin. Major companies like Tesla, Square, and MicroStrategy have invested heavily in Bitcoin, and financial institutions are increasingly offering crypto services. This institutional interest is a strong indicator of long-term confidence in Bitcoin. Despite the current downturn, if institutions continue to buy the dip, we could see a quicker recovery. Secondly, technological advancements and network upgrades play a vital role. The recent implementation of the Taproot upgrade, which enhances Bitcoin's scalability, privacy, and smart contract functionality, is a significant step forward. These upgrades can attract more developers and projects to the Bitcoin network, boosting its utility and value proposition. Another factor to consider is the global economic climate. Bitcoin has often been touted as digital gold, a hedge against inflation and economic instability. With rising inflation rates globally, more investors might turn to Bitcoin as a store of value. If Bitcoin can solidify its position as a safe haven asset, it could drive a strong recovery. However, recovery won't happen overnight. Market sentiment plays a huge role in Bitcoin's price movements. Currently, fear and uncertainty are prevalent, but as we've seen in previous cycles, sentiment can shift rapidly. Positive news, such as regulatory clarity or major companies announcing Bitcoin adoption, can reignite investor interest and drive prices up. Let's not forget the power of the crypto community. Grassroots adoption, innovation, and the unwavering belief in the future of decentralized finance are what keep the market alive. Community-driven projects, increased educational efforts, and broader public understanding of Bitcoin can contribute significantly to its recovery. In terms of a timeline, predicting exact dates is always tricky. However, if we look at historical patterns, recoveries have varied from a few months to a couple of years. The crucial point is that Bitcoin has always bounced back. Patience and long-term thinking are essential. For traders, it might be a rocky road ahead with more short-term volatility. But for long-term holders, or HODLers, as the community likes to call them, the future still holds promise. While the recent Bitcoin crash is undoubtedly concerning, it's not unprecedented. The market is influenced by a myriad of factors, from regulatory changes to macroeconomic trends. However, the underlying fundamentals of Bitcoin remain strong. Institutional adoption, technological advancements, economic conditions, and the resilient crypto community all point towards a potential recovery. It might take time, and the journey will likely be bumpy, but history has shown us that Bitcoin has the resilience to bounce back. Stay informed, stay patient, and as always, do your own research before making any investment decisions. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, and share to spread the word. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the current market situation, so drop a comment below. How do you feel about Bitcoin's future? Are you bullish or bearish? Let's get a conversation going. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on Bitcoin and the world of cryptocurrencies. Your support helps the channel grow and brings more content to you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.